Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential that can really elevate your cooking game, the BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor, model FP1600B. We found this product online and have added the link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Let's get started. The BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to make food prep easier and more efficient. With an 8-cup work bowl, this food processor provides ample room for various tasks, whether you're chopping vegetables for a stir-fry, shredding cheese for your favorite pasta dish, or making a batch of homemade pesto. It's compact yet spacious enough to handle large quantities, making it a great addition to your countertop. One of the standout features of this food processor is its food chute with a pusher. This handy feature helps guide food towards the slicing and shredding disc while the processor is in motion, ensuring you get consistent results every time. No more unevenly chopped veggies or lopsided cheese shreds. The design of the food chute allows for easy feeding of ingredients without interrupting the processing, which is a real time saver in a busy kitchen. Another practical aspect of the BLACK+DECKER FP1600B is its dishwasher-safe removable parts. After whipping up a delicious meal, the last thing you want to do is spend ages cleaning up. With this food processor, you can easily pop the removable parts into the dishwasher, making cleanup a breeze. This feature is particularly appealing for those who lead a busy lifestyle and want to minimize the time spent on kitchen chores. Safety is always a priority in any kitchen appliance, and the BLACK+DECKER food processor doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with a safety interlocking system, which ensures that the blades only operate when the lid is securely attached to the bowl. This feature provides peace of mind, especially for those who may be new to using food processors or have little ones running around. Now, who is this food processor suitable for? Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting your culinary journey, this appliance is perfect for anyone looking to simplify their meal prep. It's particularly beneficial for busy families, food enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with new recipes, or individuals who want to maintain a healthy diet by preparing fresh ingredients at home. If you find yourself frequently chopping, slicing, or shredding, this food processor could be a game changer in your kitchen. Let's discuss some practical use cases for the BLACK+DECKER FP1600B. Picture this: it's Sunday afternoon, and you're meal prepping for the week ahead. You need to chop a large batch of vegetables for stir-fries, shred cabbage for coleslaw, and slice carrots for snacking. With this food processor, you can tackle all these tasks quickly and effortlessly. Or perhaps you're hosting a dinner party and want to impress your guests with homemade dips and spreads. The FP1600B can help you whip up hummus or salsa in no time, making entertaining less stressful. In summary, the BLACK+DECKER 8-cup food processor is a fantastic kitchen tool that combines functionality, safety, and ease of use. With its spacious work bowl, convenient food chute, dishwasher-safe parts, and safety features, it's designed to make your food preparation a lot easier. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or just for yourself, this food processor can take your culinary creations to the next level. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.